Alright, this is one thing I want to mention on this exhaust that I picked up. This is probably not Summit's exact exhaust. They probably got it from somebody, but you see all these damn tape, stickers, and all that crap. Why did y'all do that? Because this residue, man, it is going to stink. I'm going to have to either grind it off or use some MEK or something to get it off. But yeah, you can also see, I mean I can weld as good as that on this Y pipe. Which I did see the people bitching about that before, but you know, this was about the only option I had. So, but yeah, the welds are kind of nasty. But we have all I need to get next is a 3-into-3 to go from that to this 3. Because only one side is bigger than the other, or not bigger, but one side was supposed to be flared bigger on that tubing. That's what it showed on the pictures. The only reason why I ordered that, so it would slide over this end, and I would basically have a slip-on exhaust setup. You wouldn't have to do no welding. And of course, you know, I got the 3-inch clamps, so you could just clamp it all up. It would be like a kit that, you know, I found and researched to be the cheaper kit that you could throw in there, no welding involved, clamp it up, just cut the pipe where you need it, done. But now I'm going to have to go get a 3x3 adapter to put in there, or I'll have to end up welding that to this, and that's not what I wanted to do. I wanted to try to come up with a kit for other people out there, if they try this, that could be affordable. So that's where we're at. We'll try to pick up a 3x3 tomorrow at Advanced Auto, and after that I think we should be good. Hopefully this Y pipe doesn't hang down too low, or she will scrape. Alright, so basically you can see here that I got everything there is to make this exhaust now. Pretty much everything was going to be slip fit, and there would be no welding involved. That was if this 8-foot piece was supposed to be flared on one end like this. So basically I went and picked this up. I'll have to weld this to a section of this. That'll be the only welding involved. And then, oh wait, maybe I won't. Yeah, I'll still have to, because it's got to slide on here, and then this will connect to this. So basically, if you could get one of these 3x3s that were flared larger to slide over, it would have been a no weld kit. And of course I have the hangers here, the clamps to clamp up for 3 inches, and then over here you can see the hangers. This is a Y pipe I got from Summit. Already has an O2 port. It's supposed to bolt right up to shorty headers. Went ahead and got another O2 sensor. Goes here, 3-pin, and a Summit high flow muffler, and then this super heavy 3-inch tubing here. So this should be able to bolt right up if everything goes good. So that's what we're about to get started on. We'll jack up the truck so we can get underneath. Keep watching. basically we ran into a problem where these are not 3 inches, flange is too small. So I'm gonna, and it doesn't even, it's not wide enough. So I'm just gonna have to end up probably whacking these off and then mating what I made to it, because these flanges are a whole lot bigger. It's the only way I can see it working. So ain't nothing working right today. been a beat down, but we finally got her hooked up here. As you can see, I hope it's not the prettiest weld job, but I'm gonna have to cut that off right there. But and she's pretty flexible. I think I'm gonna have to tighten that up right in there to make sure that she is all right. All right. So here we go, folks. Moment of truth. See how she sounds. See what happens. I'll lay y'all right down here. Sounds good. Guys, and as you can see there, we got the exhaust changed over. It wasn't quite as expected, but we got there. I didn't film all the footage on making the exhaust, cutting it up and all that, because you know it would be kind of overloadingly boring. So but as you can see there, she's super quiet, man. She's just got a nice little deep rumble, no drone going down the interstate, none of that. So definitely a success there on that. And also, don't try this at home though, but when you're welding and it's kind of dark, make sure you watch where your lead is, or this will happen. Yeah, so basically, you know, I'm welding the exhaust on one side and I flip over to start doing the other. You know, I got the helmet on, and I guess the lead is laying on the other part of the exhaust. I didn't notice, and it starts cooking into it, and then you know, it mates the two wires together where the switch is, so then you got a permanent weld going on. So the only way I could finish the exhaust properly is I had to keep bumping the switch on and off on the welder to try to control the wire fade. Yeah, it was a nightmare. And this was super late. I didn't get done till like 10:30 p.m. last night. So yeah, it's been a long week. I've been pretty much on day 12 in a row now at work, so it's been pretty tough, and it's been super hot. So, but also I had to change up the AC, so I got a different one here to hook up going out, and then we should have some AC in here in the garage. So that would be good. In the next video, stay tuned for that. We will do the first oil change after the engine install. So stay tuned for that one. And as always, keep it simple, keep it sweet, subscribe, thumbs up, and until next time, peace out.